Students, just now we learned the rules when we use article a, an and the. But now we will learn when we should not use any article, omission of articles. So we do not use any article before proper nouns. We do not use any article before proper noun. Okay? But if we use this proper noun for comparison, we use article the before the proper noun. For example, she is the Lata Mangeshkar of my class. We do not use any article before proper noun. Here, Lata Mangeshkar. It is a proper noun, but we are using the before this proper noun because here we are comparing a girl with Lata Mangeshkar. So, in that case, we will use article the before this proper noun. Understood? Next, we do not use any articles before plural nouns, but when such noun denote a class. What does it mean? Denote a class. See the example. Birds eat worms. Here, birds is denoting the class of birds. So, we will not use any article before the word birds. Cows give us milk. Here, we will not use any article before this noun because it is denoting the complete class. Okay. Next, we do not use any article before abstract noun. We do not use any article before abstract noun. For example, honesty is the best policy. Here before this abstract noun, we are not using any of the article because it is abstract noun. But if we will talk about or we are talking about as it is adjective, it is used as adjective also. So, if we will use this word as a quality of a person, we will use the before this abstract noun. For example, the honesty of the boy impressed everyone. The honesty of the boy. Here we are talking about this quality of a particular boy. So we will use article the before this abstract noun because here it is acting as an adjective. Okay. Next, We do not use articles before the name of days, months, or seasons. It means we do not use the Monday, the Sunday, the January, the autumn, and last. We do not use any articles with the name of games, meals, and diseases. Okay? We don't say the cricket, we don't say the lunch or the dinner, and we don't say that the malaria, the typhoid. Okay? So we don't use any article with the name of games, meals, or diseases. Children, I think now you have understood the use of articles, when we use these articles and when we do not use these articles.